Did you know that the healthiest thing that you can do for your mental health is free? It's called meditation, and you don't do it enough. Luckily, you've made it to this video, which is an easy introduction into the world of mindfulness. All you need is yourself in this video. You can do this anywhere at any time. You don't even need to look at the screen. When you're ready, and if you can, listen to this video with your eyes closed. Take a good inhale, hold it for a second, and exhale. Breathe normally, in through your nose and out through your mouth. Focus on your other senses. What do you hear other than this video? What do you feel? Physically? Mentally? Start becoming aware of your body's connection to the chair or the bed that you're on. Feel the gravity pulling your body closer and closer to whatever it is you're on, becoming aware of the qualities it possesses. Is it hard, soft, or somewhere in between? Become aware of your breathing. If it helps, count your breaths. 1 on the inhale, 2 on the exhale, 3 on the next inhale, up to 10. Then restart. The whole point of meditation is to rid yourself from thoughts, to become present in each passing moment. Trust me, it's harder than you'd imagine. When you find your mind drifting to other things, simply guide it back to your breath. Next, imagine scanning your body from top to bottom. Imagine a light moving from the top of your head down to your feet. Everything the light touches gets more and more relaxed. Imagine that. Feels good, doesn't it? It feels even better that you can do this literally anytime you want. Congrats, you just meditated for the first time. Save this video and come back to it anytime you want to do it again. Good job on finishing. Keep scrolling mindfully.